Friends, today I'll be making a homemade remedy to alleviate coughs and colds in both children and adults. For this karha or medicine, I'll be using 1 cup of boiling water, 6 to 7 basil leaves or tulsi, 1 inch of ginger finely chopped or grated, 5 black peppercorns, 4 cloves and honey. In a pan, add the boiling water. One by one, add all the other ingredients. Except honey, and now close the pan and wait for the water to boil again. Wait until the water is half of the original. As the water keeps boiling, all the ingredients release their juices and the water becomes yellowish. Let's check it after about 15 to 20 minutes. It seems that the water is almost halved. We'll switch off the stove. We'll strain the water now. To it, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Your karha is ready now. Have it while it's hot. That would be the most effective way. Thank you.